Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how you can fix Wi-Fi problem connected but no internet on Android or iOS devices. Before moving further, like this video and share also. The like and share target is 100k. Comment on this video and give us your opinion. The comment target is also 100k. Subscribe our channel for upcoming more videos. So moving back towards today's topic, in this video we'll teach you how you can fix Wi-Fi problem connected but no internet on Android or iOS devices. So we'll scroll down our notification menu and we'll click on our Wi-Fi. Here you can see our device is connected with Wi-Fi but it is showing an error, internet may not be available. We'll guide you how you can solve this issue. For this one you have to do two things. First of all, you have to click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected. Then you have to click on forget. Now you have to reboot your Wi-Fi router also, and you have to reboot your Android or iOS device. After rebooting your Wi-Fi router and your Android or iOS device, again you have to scroll down the notification menu and then you have to click on Wi-Fi and click on your Wi-Fi. Enter the password, then click on connect. Our Wi-Fi is now connected. Then you have to go back, open anything. We'll open Play Store. Here you can see we have successfully fixed our Wi-Fi problem. Now we'll open YouTube. Here you can see now our internet is working fine. If you still face your Wi-Fi issue, then you have to adopt the second method. You have to scroll down the notification menu and then you have to click on your Wi-Fi. Hold your Wi-Fi for 2 or 3 seconds. Then click on manage network settings. Then click on show advanced options. Then click on IP settings. Click on static. Under the static you will see IP address. You have to change the last digit. You can choose any digit. So we'll change from 4 to 9, and then you have to scroll down. You have to change the DNS1. Type here 8.8.8.8, and the DNS2 you have to type 8.8.4.4 and then click on save. Then you will see your Android or iOS device will be connected to the Wi-Fi. You have to go back and you have to check your internet. So we'll open Google Play Store again. Here you can see the Google Play Store is now working. Now we will open YouTube. Here you can see YouTube also working fine. So in the same way you can also fix Wi-Fi problem connected but no internet on Android or iOS devices. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries. Like this video and share also. If you are new at this video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Whenever we will prepare a new video, you will get notification that Technology Consultant channel has uploaded a new video. You can watch it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.